Laser-based security alarm. A laser-based security alarm is a type of security system that uses a laser light and a light sensor to detect any unwanted movement. A security system protects our homes, offices, banks, lockers, etc. from intrusion and unauthorized access. There are different types of security systems available, and laser-based security system is an important and efficient type. In this video, we will learn how a laser security alarm is made. This is the connection diagram of this project. We have connected the positive terminal of the buzzer with Arduino's pin number 11. Negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. LDR module has 3 wires. Connect the red wire with 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin A0 of Arduino. A0 is used to read the analog output. Laser diode has 2 terminals, positive and negative. Connect its positive terminal with 3.3 volt pin, and negative terminal with the ground pin of Arduino. This is the code of this project. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, in this project, we will give high or low signals to the buzzer connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin, void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Analog read A0. This function will read the analog voltage at the output of LDR connected at pin A0 of Arduino. If its value is greater than 800, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and buzzer will turn off. It shows that laser light is falling on the LDR, and no person is crossing the laser beam. If its value is less than 800, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and buzzer will turn on. It shows that laser light is not falling on the LDR, and someone is in between laser and LDR. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 5-volt buzzer. We will connect a red wire with its positive terminal, and black wire with its ground terminal. Cover the joints with insulation tape, to avoid any shorting between its 2 terminals. Now connect a red wire with a red wire of laser diode, and black wire with the blue wire of laser. Cover the joints with the insulation tape. Now connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor with the LDR. Now connect a yellow wire at the joint of LDR and resistor. Connect a black wire with another end of the resistor. Connect a red wire with another end of the LDR. Now cover the joints with insulation tape. Now connect the red wire of buzzer with pin number 11, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now connect the red wire of laser with 3.3 volt pin, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the yellow wire of LDR with pin A0, red wire with the 5 volt pin, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up the transmitter and receiver to test our project. Till the laser light falls on the LDR, the buzzer remains silent. When any person will cross the laser, then buzzer will start beeping. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.